Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can pin any program to Taskbar on Windows 11. As you know, Windows 11 offers a wide range of customization options, including the ability to pin shortcut icon to Taskbar. This process is almost similar to Windows 10 or any other Windows. In this video, I'll provide a step-by-step guide to how to pin or unpin shortcut icons to Windows 11 Taskbar. Simply open your start bar and drag your mouse to the icon that you want to pin to taskbar. Now, right click on the mouse on the application that you want to pin to taskbar. Here, you can find the option pin to taskbar. Left click on it and your program will be pinned to taskbar. As you can see, the mail that I pinned to taskbar has already showed up here. Now, if you wanna unpin this from taskbar, simply right click on this and here you'll find the option to unpin from taskbar. In this way, you can pin or unpin any program on Windows 11. Hope you like this video, like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.